Hello, I'm Rachel Folz, Head of Product here at Cerkl. It's May 20th, 2025 here in Cincinnati, Ohio, and thank you for joining me for a brief walkthrough of Broadcast, our end-to-end solution purpose-built to solve the toughest challenges in enterprise internal communications. Internal comms is inherently complex. Reaching every employee across departments, locations, shifts, and roles is incredibly difficult. Broadcast increases productivity, reduces liability, and delivers effective communication without overwhelming employees. Our foundation is real-time, reliable data. We integrate directly with HR systems using no and low-code options, performing nightly syncs from unlimited sources. Broadcast is not a rip-and-replace system. We work alongside your existing tools like Outlook, SharePoint, Teams, Slack, and a wide range of HR systems like Workday and UKG to deliver a consumer-grade experience to every employee. Large enterprise organizations are living organisms, always changing. Built on the back of that accurate data, we offer powerful audience segmentation. While manual lists are available, our customers love our dynamic, rule-based segmentation. As your workforce changes, these segments automatically update. Our tool eliminates the need to manually rebuild lists after every tiny organization change or acquisition, saving countless hours each week and ensuring critical messages reach precisely the right people. It is a truly beloved efficiency-driving capability. Beyond targeting, the challenge is reach. Employees today are scattered across multiple channels: intranets, email, messaging, apps, etc. This is called channel bloat, and it's painful for everyone. Broadcast simplifies this. Communicators can post or share content once, and our system uses machine learning to automatically distribute that content across the channels employees are already using, like SharePoint, Teams, Slack, and the Broadcast mobile app. One of our most popular features is the Automated News Digest. Powered by machine learning, it curates need-to-know and want-to-know information into a personalized weekly newsletter for every employee. Delivery is timed and formatted based on their preferences. It keeps employees informed without overwhelming them and saves hours of manual work every single week. Yes, channels are very cool, but email remains critical. Our email blast feature is a modern drag-and-drop builder purposely designed for internal communications. Of course, you can build beautiful emails, but critically, Broadcast includes enterprise-ready features like personalization fields. This allows you to use any data point from your systems as a merge field in your email, and easy retargeting for those who didn't open or acknowledge an update. This ensures messages are highly relevant and critical information is confirmed as received. The thoughtful, dependable operation of email blasts is a key reason companies come to Broadcast. Equally important are our governance features, with role and feature-based permissions and asset access. Controlling each user's zone of influence protects brand consistency and enhances security, offering daily peace of mind for leadership and technical teams. Finally, nothing can be improved unless it's measured. For many years, our Insights platform has allowed teams to measure their impact across channels, departments, and campaigns. This year, we're launching the new era, Insights 30. This visualization-first powerhouse makes it incredibly easy for communicators to get the information they need and share it with executives and key stakeholders. But the real unlock is Insights AI. This allows communicators to simply ask a question and get answers from their data. Questions like, when's the best time to engage our leaders via email? What content was most popular last quarter? Does message length impact readership? Insights AI provides data-driven answers, enabling continuous optimization. Broadcast delivers daily, tangible value by automating tedious tasks, ensuring precise targeting, simplifying multi-channel delivery, enforcing governance, and unlocking insights with powerful analytics. This is why companies choose and stay with Cerkl. If you have any questions, please let us know, and thank you for watching.